What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y. back with another video, man. Hey, we hitting you with the bangers, So we gonna get right into it. Today we're going to install the weather stripping. I got weather stripping in on the doors and the frame from Monte. Shout out to Monte, man, for the weather stripping that came in. I got my weather stripping from Monte for the rail, the roof, the rail, and the outside of the door, man. Make that window slide up good. But so yeah, it's gonna go. Actually, my bad. It's actually gonna go on this side right here. Gonna go on the outside of here. You see this weather stripping I got on here now? It ain't hitting on none. You see that? It ain't none. It's non-existent. So we gonna replace that, and we gonna replace the roof rail weather stripping right here. So that's right here. You see all this? You got that. You go from down there all the way around the door to this side over here. So we gonna replace that on both doors, but I'm only gonna show you guys one door. So that's what we're gonna do, man. I'm gonna cut y'all off and cut y'all back on when I get on that. Alright, what's going on YouTube? We back. So check it out. I finally got the weather stripping, the film. I got it loose. And it's loose. I'm gonna take it off and put the other one on, but I just want to say this: when you're messing with this, and you gotta take it down, you gotta let the window down. When you take it off, you gotta let the window down, because you gotta take the window stopper off. It down here, it'd be a bolt in there. You hold it up. You gotta take that out so you can drop the window down. Otherwise, you won't be able to get all the screws out of this door seal, the weather stripping part. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix this up, put the new one on that I got right here. Shout out to Monte's again. Here it go right here. I'm gonna line it up and get it back in there and finish this up. I'll cut y'all back on in a second. Yeah, YouTube, I basically wanted to do a side-by-side comparison. This the old one with the trim that go on the door. This the old piece I was pulling off, and this is the new piece. Pretty much the same. They're pretty much the same. Close to OEM. And yeah, we're gonna get it off, get it back on. Everything looking good. I'm gonna paint this trim while I got it off. See if that satin black still work. Going to paint this trim while it's off, and we'll change the battery. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on in 1 second. Alright, so yeah, YouTube, we are back. I got everything on. See, the new weather stripping is on. It's on right there. All the way down. Handled everything, door panel on, all that. Now it's time for the moment of truth. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Okay. Alright. That look good to me. Yes, sir. See through the tin a little bit. Yeah. Little stripping, and we good. So this side done. I'll do the other side another time. But yeah, man. Like I say, man, don't be afraid to try everything, man. Don't be afraid to try some stuff you want, you know what I'm saying, on your car. Alright, YouTube, we back. We're gonna start on the door seals, the weather stripping on the door seals. So we're gonna start on this right here. Goes up there, around, and down. I done took some of it apart. It got 2 clips right there. and you got to put it back in the lip, glue it down and all that. So I got to start taking it apart and trying to get it off and get this glue on. It got adhesive on it. It got that black adhesive on it. So I'm gonna try to get this out, man. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I get a little further, cause it look like I'm gonna have to wrestle with this. But y'all just give me a second. All right, YouTube, we back. Now I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all, man. I don't never cut no corners, so I ain't gonna cut them now. I'm gonna keep it 100. Messing with this door seal weather stripping, dog. It's gonna take a minute. You see all that? All this is like weather stripping pieces and stuff. So it's gonna take you a minute. You're gonna have to strip all that out, right? All down this rail, you gotta strip it out. And the only way to do that is to take these rails off. So with that being said, you got a couple screws. You're gonna have to find all them screws. You see them? 1, 2, my bad. One right there. Then they go all up under here. You're gonna have to find them all. Going all the way down. Find them. And then after that, pull it down and you'll be able to strip all this stuff out better. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. It's gonna take more than, you know what I'm saying? This ain't no quick 1-2 hour job right here. It's gonna take a little time. So, you know, make sure you got time if you want to deal with this right here, man. I got a little time, so I ain't in no rush. So I'll be able to get one done and show y'all. But I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I get a little further. All right, YouTube, we back. As you can see, I got the rail up out of there. The rail is out of there. You see that? A little residue left behind, but the rail is out of there. A little rust spot. I'm gonna hit that with a little rust stuff, but for the most part, it's out of there. I'm pretty much gonna clean some of this stuff up like that. I'm gonna clean that, spray that down, clean it, and this other little stuff right here, I'm gonna scrape that, get that real clean. Pretty much that's it. Then I throw some adhesive on the back of it. This the rail right here, it came out. This how it look. Pretty much goes on the window. Back. Goes on the window. It's 2 pieces. This piece, then you got this piece here. I'm gonna clean out in between these rails. God dog it. I'm gonna clean out in between these rails, man. Get all that stuff out right there. And then I get it back in and adhesive it back in. And then I go from there. But I'm gonna cut y'all off and cut y'all back on. Let me get this stuff together right quick. Alright, YouTube, we back. I just want to show you guys I got it done. Had to clean out the rails in between the rails right there. Did the best I could that I wanted to do anyway. You got to get in between now. I'm gonna tell you something now. Y'all boys want to do this? Shh, boy, I'm gonna tell you, it's gonna be a fight. It's gonna be a fight to get them seals out. But I got them out. I got it out, scraped it out. Everything good. I'm gonna put this back up in the car, and then we can work on getting the dog on. We can work on getting the seals in there. But yeah, this gonna take a minute. I'm gonna tell y'all that now. To get this clean, it took me about an hour or so, man. A little over an hour. I ain't gonna lie to you. All that scraping, flatheads and razor blades. That's all you got. Unless y'all find something else, it's gonna be hard to get it out. I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I get it up in there. Alright, YouTube, back again. I got my weather stripping right here. Got it out. Got my rail back in. So this is what we need to do. We're gonna need to put a little adhesive right here. Let me straighten it out for you out in 1 second. Some of that 3M super black adhesive. Need some of that. And you're gonna put it right there where you kind of see where they had that. You can put small little lines of it right here just to hold it in. Put small here, small there. Put some up in the crack where they had the water at, where water will be coming at the most part. Put some right there too, the major part right there. And we'll put some down here where they had it at on the other ones. And that's gonna be it. So when you put that adhesive on there, you want to put it on the back of your weather stripping right here. And when you put your pins in, the holes, 1, 2, you're gonna lock it in, push it in, push it up on the lip. I got a putty knife right here. I got a putty knife I got from Walmart to push it in there. I lock it in, but you slide it in on one side, twist it, and you get the putty knife to push the other end, push the other lip in, going up the rail, like that up in the rail, and it's gonna lock in, and you'll be good, man. So I'm gonna cut y'all off, cut y'all back on when I get it. All right, so yeah, we got some of it on. So far, so good. I would definitely recommend that this putty knife, man. You need this putty knife, bro. Get it in there, you're gonna need it. But see that weather stripping? Looking good up in there. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of it. I'm gonna see what I can do. Put y'all on time lapse or something. Let's see what's going on. Alright, YouTube, we back. This the final look. That Weatherstripping looking good. Going on inside that door. You see what's going on? Look at that. That's A1, brand new. All the way down. Boom. Everything good, glued in. Let's try something. Moment of truth. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Close that guy. Oh yeah. We Gucci. We Gucci. So yeah. That's it, man. That's the end of the video. Like I say, man, don't be afraid, man, to try something, man. It's the small things that count, dog. The small thing. These cheap gloves, man, they don't last worse than that. But anyway, it's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y, man. Sometimes them shops get bagged up and you don't know where to start. You gotta do it yourself. We almost out of here. I'm gonna do the other side, man, and I'm gonna, that's gonna be it for me. Bye. We gone. See you on the next one.